Have you ever found yourself in a position where you're struggling to manage your appointments, feeling overwhelmed by the constant back and forth of scheduling? Imagine a world where your booking process is seamless, automated, and entirely under your control. That's precisely what Setmore aims to deliver, and today, we're going to dive deep into one of its most fundamental features, opening up those all-important time slots. Many of you likely already use Setmore, or perhaps you're considering it. You know the power of an online booking system. It saves you time, reduces no-shows, and professionalizes your service. But sometimes, getting those initial slots set up can feel a bit like cracking a code. Maybe you're new to the platform and feeling a bit lost. Or perhaps you've been using it for a while and want to optimize your availability further. Whatever your situation, understanding how to effectively open slots on Setmore is crucial to maximizing its potential and ensuring your clients can easily book their desired services. Think about it, your availability is the backbone of your business. If clients can't see when you're free, they can't book. It's that simple. And in today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Clients expect to be able to book an appointment with a few clicks, without having to pick up the phone or send a dozen emails. By mastering the art of opening slots on Setmore, you're not just managing a calendar. You're creating accessibility, streamlining your operations, and ultimately, boosting your bottom line. So, let's break down this process step by step, demystifying the Setmore interface and empowering you to take full control of your schedule. We'll cover everything from setting up your initial working hours to adding specific availability for different services and even handling those tricky one-off adjustments. The first and most fundamental step is to establish your staff working hours. This is your baseline availability, the hours you're generally open for business. To do this, you'll log into your Setmore account and navigate to the Settings menu, then select Staff. Here, you'll see a list of your staff members. Click on the specific staff member whose hours you want to adjust. Under their profile, you'll find a section dedicated to working hours. This is where you can define your regular availability for each day of the week. You can set different start and end times for each day, or even mark certain days as off. This provides the foundational framework for your booking calendar. Now, what if your services have different time requirements? Or perhaps you offer some services only on specific days. This is where service-specific availability comes into play. While your general working hours define your overall availability, you can refine this further for individual services. Let's say you offer a 30-minute consultation and a 60-minute in-depth session. You might want to make the 30-minute consultation available more frequently. To set this up, go back to Settings, but this time, select Services. Click on the specific service you want to edit. Within the service details, you'll often find an option to override staff hours or something similar. This allows you to set specific availability for that service, independent of your general working hours. This feature is incredibly powerful for optimizing your schedule and ensuring that the right services are available at the right times. But what about those times when your schedule isn't so predictable? We all have those moments. A last-minute appointment, an unexpected errand, or a sudden need to block out some time for personal reasons. This is where blocking out time or adding custom breaks becomes invaluable. Setmore offers various ways to handle these ad hoc adjustments. You can directly go to your calendar view. If you need to block out a specific time slot for a personal appointment, simply click on the desired time slot on your calendar, and you'll typically see an option to block time or add personal appointment. This ensures that clients cannot book during that period. Similarly, if you want to add a short break during your working hours, you can often do so directly from the calendar interface as well. This flexibility is key to maintaining a realistic and manageable schedule. Beyond these core functionalities, Setmore also offers advanced features that can further streamline your slot management. Consider buffer time. This is crucial for professionals who need a little downtime between appointments, perhaps to clean up, prepare for the next client, or simply take a breather. You can usually set buffer time for each service, ensuring that even when appointments are booked back-to-back, you still have a few minutes to reset. This prevents you from feeling rushed and ensures you can deliver a high-quality experience to every client. Another powerful feature is recurring appointments. If you have clients who book the same service at the same time every week or month, setting up recurring appointments can be a massive time saver. Instead of manually opening slots for each individual booking, you can set it up once, and Setmore will automatically generate those slots on your calendar. This is particularly useful for ongoing coaching, therapy, or regular maintenance services. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of reviewing and optimizing your schedule. Setmore provides a clear calendar view, allowing you to see your open slots at a glance. Regularly review your availability to ensure it aligns with your business goals and personal capacity. Are you consistently fully booked? Perhaps it's time to open up more slots or adjust your working hours. Are there large gaps in your schedule? Maybe you need to promote certain services more or consider offering promotions during slower periods. The key is to be proactive and make data-driven decisions about your availability. Opening slots on Setmore isn't just about clicking a few buttons. It's about strategically managing your most valuable resource, your time. By understanding and utilizing these features, you're not just creating a functional booking system. You're building a highly efficient, client-friendly operation that empowers both you and your customers. The easier it is for clients to book, the more bookings you'll get, and the smoother your operations will run. It's a win-win situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.